Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Today we will discuss the GK first chapter, Fascinating Palaces Around the World. So let us start it. First of all, let us understand the term fascinating. It means extremely interesting. So, understood what we are going to learn in this chapter about the interesting points of different palaces around the world. So, here first of all we will discuss the palaces, few palaces around the world. So, first palace of that is Potala Palace. Have a look at the palace. This one is the palace, Potala Palace. It is the greatest monumental structure that is found in Tibet. It is situated 130 meters above the Lhasa river. The second which we are going to discuss is about the Matsumoto Castle. You can see the Matsumoto Castle. This one is that. It is one of the most fascinating castles in the world. It is also known as Crow Castle due to its black exterior. It is located in Japan. You can see the black exterior. It is shown in the image. Third palace is Neuschwanstein Castle. You can see this Neuschwanstein Castle. Remember its name and remember its pronunciation. It is the inspiration for the Disneyland Sleeping Beauty Castle. You might have seen the Sleeping Beauty cartoon or you might have read the story. In that one you will find such type of castle. It is built by Ludwig II and it is situated at Bavaria, which is there in Germany. The fourth one is Mount Saint Michael. You can see the palace. It is shown over here. It is a castle on a small island on the Normandy coast that is situated in France. The next castle is Malbork Castle. This Malbork Castle you can see the image. That is the Malbork Castle. It is the largest brick Gothic castle in the world. This Gothic का मतलब क्या है? Gothic relates to horror and mystery. Horror का मतलब पता है सबको, डरावना. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, डार्क मेकअप, डार्क क्लोथ और हेयर डाइड ब्लैक कलर एक्सेट्रा आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हॉरर. It is situated in Malbork, Poland. Next palace is Prague Castle. This Prague Castle, you can see the image. This Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle in the world. It is situated in Prague city that is found in Central Europe. It is occupying an area of almost 70,000 square meters and about 570 meters in length and an average of about 130 meter wide. This much largest area it is having. Next is Predjama Castle. You can see the Predjama Castle in the image. In the background you can see. This Predjama Castle is integrated in a cave. You can see it is there in the cave. गुफा में मिलेगा आपको. And it is situated in Slovenia. Okay, so these are the few examples of fascinating palaces around the world. Now let us identify each of them. This one is the first one. Can you identify this palace? Remember Disneyland. याद आया कुछ? Yeah, it is Neuschwanstein Palace. Now see the another image. Can you identify this? कुछ याद आ रहा है? Okay, let us see it. It is the Potala Palace. ठीक है, समझे? The next is, see this diagram. What is that? Oh, it is Mount Saint Michael. That is situated on the small island. Now, what is this? ब्लैक कलर याद करो, इट इज मॉस्टूमोटो कैसल. ठीक है. नाउ सी हियर हेल्प बॉक्स इज ऑल्सो आई हैव पुट. If you have any query, then you can refer this point and you can write down this name into the respective blank with the help of pencil only. Now look at this interesting fact. The Louvre Palace that is found in Paris is the largest royal palace in the world by area with a floor area of 210,000 square meters. This was the official residence of the kings of France for about 300 years. Now let us solve quiz because it's time for quiz. You have to do tick mark at the correct answers as I did. पहले तो समझो और पेंसिल से ही करना. फर्स्ट इज इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ब्रिक गोथिक कैसल इन द वर्ल्ड. हमने पढ़ा है क्या होगा इसका आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर बी मालबर्ग कैसल. देन सेकंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट एंशियंट कैसल इन द वर्ल्ड. उसमें क्या आएगा. ऑप्शन नंबर डी प्राग कैसल. देन थर्ड इज अ कैसल इंटीग्रेटेड इन अ केव इन स्लोवेनिया. तो उसमें आएगा प्रेटजामा कैसल. दिस वॉज अबाउट द अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. नाउ लेट अस हैव अ ग्लैंस एट फैसिनेटिंग पैलेसेस ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया को तो हम भूल नहीं सकते हैं, बट ओवर हियर वी विल ओनली डिस्कस द नेम ऑफ प्लेसेस. दैट इज लेक पैलेस उदयपुर, मैसूर पैलेस इन मैसूर, देन उमेद भवन पैलेस दैट इज इन जोधपुर, देन रामबाग पैलेस इन जयपुर एंड मार्बल पैलेस इन कोलकाता. देन फलकनुमा पैलेस इन हैदराबाद, आमेर फोर्ट इन आमेर राजस्थान, लक्ष्मी विलास पैलेस दैट इज सिचुएटेड इन वडोदरा गुजरात, देन विक्टर जुबिली पैलेस इन कूच बिहार एंड चौमला पैलेस इन हैदराबाद. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ इतने ही पैलेसेस हैं इंडिया में. इंडिया में इससे भी बहुत ज़्यादा पैलेसेस हैं जो बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, जो आपको भी मज़ा आएगा विजिट करने में. एंड यू माइट हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ द पैलेसेस अमोंगस्ट ऑल द पैलेसेस. सो बट आई हैव पुट ओनली फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दैट. सो कीप लर्निंग एंड स्टे वेल. थैंक यू.